Did you know that honeybees have more than two eyes? Or that a giant squid's eyes are bigger than dinner plates? Take a close look and learn about all the ways animals use their eyes to find food and stay safe in this book. Listen to the funny, outrageous, and unique features that the author shares with you about animals in this book, Amazing Eyes Up Close, by Melissa Stewart. Contents: words to know 3, honeybee 4, eagle 6, panther chameleon 8, tarsier 10, red-eyed tree frog 12, four-eyed fish 14, giant squid 16, your eyes 18, guessing game 20, learn more, books 22, websites 23, index 24. Words to know: haw, a clear eyelid that protects the eyes of some animals. Predator, an animal that hunts and kills other animals for food. Tarsier, a small furry animal that lives in Asia. It jumps from tree to tree and eats mostly insects. Honeybee. Animals use their eyes to see the world. A bee has 5 eyes. 3 small eyes are on top of its head. These eyes can only tell if it is light or dark. 2 large eyes are on the sides of its head. These eyes can see objects. Eagle. An eagle sees 8 times better than you do. It uses its eyes to hunt. It can spot a rabbit from a mile away. An eagle's eye has 3 eyelids. 2 of them work just like yours. The inner eyelid is called a haw. It is clear. The bird can see through it. A haw protects an eagle's eyes. Panther chameleon. This lizard can move its eyes 2 ways at once. One eye looks up, the other looks down. One eye can look left, the other can look right. That makes it easier to find food and stay safe. Tarsier. A tarsier wakes up as the sun sets. It hunts for insects and lizards all night long. Its huge eyes let in lots of light so it can see in the dark. Red-eyed tree frog. These big red eyes surprise predators. That gives the frog time to jump out of sight. The frog's huge eyes stick out of its head. That means it can sit still and see far to the right and left. Four-eyed fish. This fish doesn't really have 4 eyes, but each eye works in 2 different ways. The top half of each eye can watch what is happening above the water. The bottom half sees what is going on below the water at the same time. What a great trick! Giant squid. A giant squid has the largest eyes on Earth. They are twice as big as a dinner plate. Giant squid live in the deep ocean. Their huge eyes help them see in the dark water. Your eyes. You are an animal too, and you have eyes. They spot friends and watch for cars when you cross the street. They help you catch a baseball and read the words in this book. Thank goodness for eyes. Guessing game. Here are the questions. Number 1. How many eyes do some scallops have? 2. How many eyes does a giant clam have? 3. How many eyes does a snail have? 4. How many eyes does a tarantula have? Your choices are A. More than 1,000, B. 8, C. 2, D. More than 100. Hit pause and write down what you think. The answers are on page 24. You can read these books to learn more about animal eyes. Or you can check out these websites about animal eyes and human eyes. Index. Now, did you notice how many funny, outrageous, or unique things you learned about the animals in this book? Make sure you include such interesting information in your book too, boys and girls.